Good morning. I'm on a lake I've been before. It's a big lake. Very, very, very round. But as you can see, it's a big lake. Water temperature is 67.1. I just figured I'd come out, see what's going on this lake to see if the fish are getting ready to spawn here also. So let's go fishing. Don't know where I'm gonna go. I've driven quite a bit from the boat launch, but I have no real plan. Let's just go catch something, I hope. Okay, starting out with a wacky rig. I'm gonna throw around these buggy whips, see what happens. Kind of pointed into the sun for you, so if you can't see that well, sorry. I don't know how well you can see in the water here. A little bit of chop, but I'm in 2 feet of water. This entire area is cleared. Clearly these homes have it cleared. And there are 4 giant, long docks here. So I came in here to look around to see if there's any beds, because it'd be easy to see them. This would be a great place. It's sandy bottom, hard bottom, but I don't see any so far. I'm just casting a worm around while I'm back here. I'm just trying to come up real close to the shoreline and see if I see anything here. Well, I just disturbed the bottom so you can't see it, but don't know if you can see that there. There's an old bed there, and there's like 3 or 4 of them, just like there's another old bed. Can't tell what kind they are. They're just depressions. But no new ones and no fish. But if they were in here to spawn hard, I think you could come in here and do pretty good. I just saw a bed with a fish on it. I moved away because I spooked him when I ran over him. All right, here we go. Oh. Well, he took my worm. All right, let me get another worm. What am I throwing here? Throwing a zoom trick worm. All right, let's try this again. Come on, fishy. All right, well, trying to turn on the stinking thing again. There he is. There we go. Oh, that's a pretty good fish. I gotta make sure I had it on. All right, let's see. Not bad. Swallowed my lure. All right, that's okay. It's easy to get out. Okay. Not long. See that? 17 3/4. Just for the heck of it, I'm gonna weigh it. 212. Okay. Well, there we go. There she goes. So that fish was under that dock. There are 2 docks here. One right behind me, and then this one here. I'm gonna try throwing it back under this dock again. What am I doing? I'm skipping a Senko, wacky rig Senko underneath the dock. 1. So far, pretty slow. All right. Let me give you an idea how long these 2 docks are. These docks go all the way down. Now that's the one that I got it on, but they're side by side. Look at how long they are. Those are long docks. And I'm skipping a Senko under this dock, just in case there's one over here. Here we go. Yeah. Not very big, but it's a fish. Well, he really swallowed it. Let's get the worm out of the way. There we go. Okay. Just shy of 12 inches. Okay. See you later. Well, let's see. This one's really staying down. And he's running. It's not that big. But it's a fish. Okay. right, calm down, calm down. Let's see. He's 15 3/4. There it goes. Goodbye. All right. Number 3. Well, that was on the trick worm. Let me just reset it. I think it's a 3/16 inch or 3/16 ounce weight on there. Okay, that's reset. Where did I catch that one? This is on the outside here in this cabbage weed that's in right out here, just offshore from the Kissimmee grass. And prior to me getting that bite, I had another bite, so I'm going to try throwing back. Well, I broke that one off. I knew I should have retied. Well, we only got 3 fish. 2 smaller ones, 1 okay. But let me explain something. This video is out of sequence. I cannot publish this one without publishing the other one that I have that I'm working on now. What is the other one about? After you watch that, you will understand. And let me give you feedback about what I did. The new motors are very responsive. When you engage them, they pick up speed quickly. When you put one forward, one reverse, they are noisier. I don't know if you can hear that. That's because the one that's in reverse is cavitating more than the 36-pound thrust motors did. The 45 have more power, they're cavitating more. So if you're going to do that, you kind of have to, if you want to be quieter, full throttle on one and only half throttle in reverse on the other one. The wiring harness has worked well, obviously, otherwise this wouldn't be working. So that's a long video that I did, and I'm just trying to give you some feedback on it. Okay.
While editing this video, I realized that I completely forgot to mention something else about the new motors. They do make the boat go slightly faster. My estimate is somewhere between a half and maybe 3/4 of a mile an hour. That's according to the GPS on my fish finder. You're not going to water ski behind the boat. They don't blow your hat off because we're going so fast. They do go slightly faster, but it isn't some kind of crazy 10 mile an hour increase. I like them, and I'm glad I got them. And I hope you've learned something from that video that I did and this one.
Thanks for following. I hope you enjoyed yourself today, even though it wasn't that productive. But see you again. Bye now.